Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. Let's start the ABC rhyme. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Happy, happy I shall be. Learn my ABC. Next time you will sing with me.
Let's start the phonics. A B B C C D D E F G G H I E J J K K L M N O P P Q R S T T U V W X Y Z.
What is day today? Today is Tuesday and date 12th and month January and year 2021. Which period is this? English period. Manners of the week. Always speak truth. Don't tell a lie. Always speak truth. Don't tell a lie. Students, today our topic is name of the days. Today our new word Wednesday. WEDNESDAY day Wednesday. Revise name of the days MON day Monday. TUESTUSDAY day Tuesday. WEDNESDAY day Wednesday. Learn the spelling of Wednesday. WEDNESDAY day Wednesday. Let's start the activity. Students, today we will find the word Wednesday from the cutouts. Let's start. We will arrange the spelling of Wednesday. Yes. W E D wed N yes E S Venus yes great D A Y Wednesday. Learn the spelling of Wednesday. WEDNESDAY day Wednesday. Let's start the copy work. First of all, you will write the date here like this: Tuesday, 12th January, 2021, full stop. Today our topic is Wednesday. WEDNESDAY day Wednesday. You will write the spelling of Wednesday. Students, in this way you will complete your work neat and clean. Thank you.